Now our four beautiful giraffe here, where are we? All boys. So I've got AJ, Harold, Jelani and Amani, and you can see how beautiful and tall Amani is standing up in the front there. Now he's the tallest of all our giraffe at over 6 meters tall.
6 meters tall.
Boleh.